Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a very special way how you can generate yourself passive income 100% online. Okay, there are so many platforms, so many ways to make passive income, daily passive income, but this is going to be a special one because this is going to be daily passive income on automation for you. Very, very special, and I love how this system works. I love how I can earn money every single day with this platform, and it's just changing so many lives all around the world. Now you are going to earn money through crypto, and I show you that how you can use AI technology to automate your staking rewards. Very special opportunity, and everybody can participate in it. It's something that everybody can use to generate passive income online. So you can stake with our special AI software technology, and it's going to be automated for you. It's going to be absolutely automated, fully automated. You don't have to touch it. You don't have to hassle with it. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about managing different accounts, managing different exchanges. None of that stuff. Okay, we are here to help you. We are here to help you make money online every single day. Now, this software and technology is called Titan 369, and you can use this blockchain software to automate your daily passive income rewards. Very special deal because not many platforms and not many people are doing this out there, because there are so many platforms that require some very high qualifications in order to participate in this. But this is all done for you, and you can actually triple these rewards up to 300%, which is absolutely amazing. Imagine 300%. It can do so many amazing things for you. All right, so and this software is actually yielding so far anywhere between 0.69% to 1.18% daily, up to date. Okay, now these numbers can change, of course, but this is what you can earn passively. These passive daily rewards every single day. Okay, I have been getting results for the past few months now, and I was very, very impressed with the results that I'm getting with this software, because they are very transparent. They get the job done. They do what they tell you they are going to do, and it's changing my life and so many people's lives as well. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is actually I'm going to show you the daily rewards that I'm generating in my back office, which is absolutely mind-blowing and very exciting, and I'm going to show you my transaction history, how I'm generating $44 every single day on automation, and it will be going up to 300%. So and also I'm going to show you how many times I have withdrawn from the system that hit my crypto wallet, and I'm going to show you how you can actually do the same with this software, and you're gonna earn daily passive income. So look at this, guys. Amazing, right? So I have basically $5,000 worth of deposit in here, which is running for me, and I'm getting the staking rewards for it every single day without a failure, right? It's absolutely amazing, mind-blowing how you can actually have money. You are waking up every single morning, and every few hours this software is generating income for you without you even doing anything about it, right? So that's why we call it passive income. It's absolutely amazing how we have the chance to take these opportunities and take advantage of technology to make us money while we sleep. Okay, you are making money while you sleep. You are making money while you are working on something else. You're working on your car. You are making your dinner, right? This is what we want. We want money being generated for us, even though we are not active. Okay, we are not doing anything about it, because you want to make an extra income. You want to make money that is something on the side for you, or you want to actually go on a vacation, whatever you want to do. This is an opportunity that you have to take advantage of, because these opportunities are true gems in my opinion, and they help people in tremendous ways. All right, so let me just show you that this is my purchase, this is my deposit, and you can see the the history actually, and you can see my validator transactions. All right, so this is what my income will be. All right, so basically it is generating me income every single day, and is generating me rewards every 6 hours. So basically every 6 hours my balance is changing constantly. Can you imagine your balance changing every single day, every 6 hours? That's absolutely mind-blowing and absolutely amazing. All you have to do with this platform is basically you need to have crypto. You need to have Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT in order for you to purchase a validator. Okay, that's what you are going to do. All right, so you would need to purchase it either on Coinbase, whatever wallet that is allowing you to purchase any of these coins, or an exchange, which is a reliable exchange. And of course, whatever crypto your region allowing you to buy, whatever that would be. Okay, so I'm going to show you now how you can purchase your validator, how you can actually participate in this, how you can deposit. So after your registration, I'm going to leave my referral link in the description of this video. You are going to go to swap. All right, so that's what you're gonna do. You're going to swap your cryptocurrency into this coin that is being staked. Okay, so what you're gonna do, let's say you want to come in with 1,000, right? 1,000 is a decent amount in my opinion, because you can show your results to people. Okay, and that's gonna be exciting, and they're gonna get excited, and they want to join you as well, and they want to jump on board, right? And then they are going to generate money as well, so everybody is winning here. So if you're gonna just click 1,000 in here, you are just going to select your coin. Let's say you are going to come in with Bitcoin. It's going to tell you the amount that you need to deposit. All right, you're gonna click deposit now and just follow the instructions on the next page. That's how you're gonna do it, right? It's amazing, right? So that's how you're gonna get started. And from then, all you do is just sit back, relax, and the software is just gonna generate you that income up to 300%. Absolutely amazing, mind-blowing what a system like that, a software technology, can do for us in this day and age. All right, so let me just show you my withdrawals as well that I have made in the past weeks. You can see my withdrawals right here. Okay, you can see all of that. That's all hit my wallet. It says completed. All of that, right? I almost broke even. Yeah, so you can see all my withdrawals right there. Amazing, right? It just hit it on the same day, even most of them, but usually you get it in the next 24 hours after your withdrawal. You hit withdrawal. All right, so that's how it works. Amazing stuff. Amazing, right? And there are so many people that don't even see that how huge this is. All right, when you are actually generating income passively on the side, on your computer, 100% online. Absolutely amazing. I am blown away. So let me show you one last thing that is important to mention, because of course everything in this video is has to be seen through the lenses of my disclaimer. Okay, I cannot guarantee you anything. What I'm showing you right now is absolutely up to date. The results that we are getting and everything like that. I cannot guarantee the future for any of these opportunities. So that's why it's good to take advantage of these opportunities when they are in the beginning, because that is going to increase your chances of success. Okay, so let me show you the disclaimer a little bit. Okay, so here is your disclaimer. Of course, everything is a risk. There is no guarantees whatsoever, but I do believe if there is no risk, there is no win either. So just keep that in mind, that everything is a risk, and of course, you just have to deposit whatever you are willing to lose. All right? So with that being said, Titan 369 is an amazing way to make money, and I'm encouraging all of you to have a serious look of what this can offer for you. All you need is crypto. You can get started you can actually earn those daily rewards through staking, and it's just amazing what you guys can achieve with this software. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, any problems, please get in touch with me through email or my Telegram. And of course, you can join this platform, you can join this amazing opportunity through my referral link in the description of this video. You will find it, and I'm very looking forward working with you guys, and I hope we can generate money together. We can generate that amazing passive income for everybody, because success is what we are striving for. We want to change lives here. So thank you so much again. Have a great evening, and see you in the next video.